start mo na lang mamaya. Ayun ba yun? Hi guys, we're moving to my next workout, which is incline bench press.
Ten pang. Seryoso ba siya? Lipat.
Okay naman! So guys, this is my workout. Hindi pa ba ako ng stress? Hi guys, we're moving out to my last workout, which is the pec deck. Hi guys, welcome to my day 2. Now we're gonna do is hamstring workout. Now, that is what you call RDL or Romanian deadlift. Hi guys, my next workout is what you call sumo squat. This workout targets the glutes and also a little bit of your hamstring. This is how you execute it. That's all guys, thank you. Hi guys, now we're gonna finish my workout with a cardiovascular.
Yep. Sabi mo yung undan ka na. Last few. 1, 2, 3, done.
Go.
Hi guys, we're gonna start my workout by doing cardiovascular activity. And this is what you call bicycle. That's my favorite.
Huh?
Go.
Hi Hi guys, we're gonna start my workout by doing shoulder press. This time it will target your front deltoids.
Go.
Hi guys, my next workout is what you call dumbbell lateral raise. This targets the side delts. Hi guys, my last workout is what you call face pulls. This targets the rear deltoids and a little bit of your upper back.
Rubber form.